So you got to wonder if their stocks can maintain this kind of momentum, which you're going to see right in conjunction with the election. So what do we have to do? Well, we have to be dispassionate about it. We got to go off the charts. Take a close look at semiconductor capital equipment plays with the help of Bob Lang. He's the founder of explosiveoptions.net. He's a brilliant technician, all-star duo behind the Street.com's Trifecta Stocks newsletter, and he's also the author of a book called Know Your Options. So I'm going to start. By the way, these charts are spectacular. Okay, I mean they're unbelievable, and if you don't know about them, you're missing out on a lot. This is the chart of Lam Research, LRCX, which is the old Novellus merged with Lam Research, run by a guy from Novellus, Tim Archer, he's the successor to Rick Hill. In the last 3 weeks, this stock has surged from 330 to 430. Look at this move, will you? 3 weeks. It's now far above where it was trading in February before the COVID collapse. Far above it. Lang thinks this chart is a thing of beauty. Lam's made a series of higher highs, higher lows, strong volume. Look at this. This breakout. This is a textbook example of a very bullish pattern, even though, as I think you might be saying, well, wait a second, that's looking for a fall. In late October, Lam pulled back to its 50-day moving average. That's a short-term measure of the stock's trajectory, 50-day. And then it immediately rebounded like crazy. I mean, that's another strong sign. However, there's such a massive move. Lang thinks Lam is due for a temporary pullback. In fact, he wouldn't be surprised if it comes down to the 400 level. Okay. But if that pullback happens, he expects Lam to make another incredible comeback, just like when it bounced off the 50-day, and that's 50-week. And what's really important is what he's saying basically is this pattern off the 50-week is going to happen again, except for the 50-week by that point will be up there. Nice. After that pit stop, he's thinking it's smooth sailing to $500. That is some serious upside. If he's right, you have to be prepared to buy the dip, and I think the business is going to be very good, so it can make that happen. I just hope Lam gives you that pullback. Company reported blowout quarter, terrific guidance. Then a week later, they rolled out a $5 billion buyback. And we know the China opportunity could be enormous. $5 billion. Most people are cutting their buybacks. I like the stock. In fact, the stock came down $7 today. But I'd like it even more if it keeps falling.
Don't miss a second of Mad Money. Follow @Jim Cramer on Twitter. Have a question? Tweet Cramer. #MadTweets. Send Jim an email to madmoney@cnbc.com. Or give us a call at 1-800-743-CNBC. Miss something? Head to madmoney.cnbc.com.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.